Convert to regular mesh. Why this feature was added? Due to the way Blender natively handles displacement maps on meshes with adaptive subdivision and cycles, sometimes digital glitches can become very obvious in some animation scenarios. They might be great if you intend to give a subliminal message to the viewers that what they are looking at is not real but a digital illusion, or a simulated world like in Matrix. But if that's not what you intend to do, that could be a showstopper, since there are plenty of people on the web who love to scrutinize every frame of a movie. Such glitches usually become more obvious when you approach or fly past a mesh in high speed. In such a case, select the buildings layer of a baked MegaCitigen project, and go to Edit Mode, and select the buildings with extreme glitches and click Convert selected meshes to non-adaptive subdivision. Once the conversion is finished, you can further adjust the subdivision level of the converted meshes. And here's the comparison before and after.